Not again. Freaking rain. Basically, yeah, just... Tyler, if you're getting this, basically, you're being rained out too, man. Shout outs to Tyler McKnight. Dude, it's freaking raining. This one I'm not too excited about because I have to work tomorrow morning. And it's gonna be freaking cold. Yeah. God. Big ol' rainstorm. Bet you it's gonna be foggy tomorrow. Yeah. Wonder how is it like in my living room, not my living room, but God. Well, good news is I'm inside. Bad news is everything's what?
What was that?
Oh well, just give me a minute.
Not that one, the other.
Just give me a minute. There's my dog, Max. He's all wet, probably. Oh man. Freaking wet, gross. Bet sure it's gonna be a flash flood somewhere. Probably in Pendleton, Oregon, where I was at last time. But, anyways, this is crazy working, man. Oh God. Why do you have to severely water your grass, God? I'm kidding. Rain down on us, dude. Basically makes us feel better. Except for we're stuck inside and whoever has long legged pants on and a freaking hoodie, which just sucks. So, yeah. Anyways. Freaking rain. There's my Avengers and Taz. Well, Tyler, I'm just astonished that we got pounded on by rain instead of hail. And it's gonna make everything wet, soggy, and gross tomorrow. Why? Oh, well, at least I'm gonna work on it, so. Anyways. If you get this video on YouTube, just a heads up. It's raining here.